Hopefully you all had a great day. Let's begin. All right. Hi. I always don't know how to start these. Hold on. Get that background music going. Nice. Hi guys and girls. If you are watching a recording, if you're watching a recording, thank you for watching. If you're watching the live stream, thanks for watching. Yeah, I'm not a comedian. Anyways, e-commerce. That's a thing, huh? Yeah. So the team hit that invite button, the send invite button. They smacked it a couple times and sent out invites. So if you got one in your inbox, congrats. If you don't, maybe I can help. We'll see. Only for the people who are watching live though. All right. Thank you guys so much for being here. If this is your first time, welcome. Over there. No, that way. Meet some of the other people that are in there. Yes, my friends. Hashtag Bell Squad. Donald, Steven, Diego, Richard, Chris, what's up? Landon, I think you're new or you've been here before. I don't remember your name. But yeah, early in the UK. Yes. Welcome, Steven. All right, you can turn off my music. We done with that. Get the I can pop out the chat, can't I? Yeah, I'm putting it on that side this time. All right. Well, yeah, so e-commerce, such a big deal, not only for us Webflow fans, but also the Webflow team. I mean, I think one of the engineers said that they've been working on it since January. They tweeted that out, I think, in January, saying something like started this in January, and finally they're super happy to get the beta out. Man, oh man, it's been such a great time to. Such a great time to be a designer right now because you can do so much inside of Webflow that you don't have to code, and you can execute on what you want to do, and if you just want to play around with the web and without coding, you can just move pixels and move divs and whatnot, and yeah, things will become real. So it's just so amazing. Landon, new to your channel, usually catch the Webflow streams. Yes, welcome. Yeah, everyone, say hi to Landon. Yay. Glad you found your way here. But yeah, Spencer, gotta give big props to designernews.co. All right, so yeah, so what I'm gonna do today. What I like to do is I like to give my first impressions by showing exactly first time experiences with something new in Webflow. I like to be as honest as possible and give my honest feedback, kind of like a UX test, but this ain't a test. This is real, and I like to come at it from the outside of I know I work for Webflow, but at the same time, I want to make sure that I use Webflow so, I can help support you guys better whenever I'm answering your questions, rather than just being in questions all the time and not really using the tool. So with e-commerce, I know there's going to be a ton of questions once more and more people get the invite, and even more once we release this beta publicly. Right now we're in private beta, so we're sending invites to some people in waves, so that way we can to make sure that the platform stays performant. We're making sure that everything's good, and then we're answering as many questions as possible and getting your feedback too. Wait, there's let's see here, let me go to the forum. So forum.webflow.com. There we go. So there's a category. So if you already have access to the Webflow e-commerce, please post any bugs, any questions, anything, any wishes. Well, wishes go to wishlist.webflow.com. But yeah, post them here. let's all get excited about it and talk about it. Oh, there's a lot of posts already. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Yeah. 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 Oh, and then I don't know what I don't know what the marketing team is doing, but they posted this. Tim on the marketing team, he posted this. He said, uh, we'd like to ask you a couple things. So when you're using, well, okay, let me back up to the top of the post. So, 3 years ago, Webflow CMS launched, and there was this one guy who was like overly excited about the launch, and we're like, who is this guy? And he was he was like really active on the forums and everything, and yeah, come to show that that's Waldo. And he recorded his reaction when he noticed that Webflow CMS was launched and he got to play with it. So it's really awesome. And so what I think the marketing team is doing is making a reaction video or something, or like splicing up a bunch of reactions. And so record yourself on webcam and get your real honest reactions to everything about the new feature. All right. And then send that MP4 or a private YouTube video or whatever to tim@webflow.com. And then also, you want to make sure that you say, hey, I authorize Webflow to use this video marketing material. And how, after reading this post, in my head, I'm thinking, okay, I think marketing is going to do a thing where it's like everyone, they can have a background video and then everyone's getting excited and whatnot. And then we'll add it to like some video once e-commerce public beta launches, you know? So, I mean, the hype is real. Those are my honest reaction. You saw them in my past streams. I'm like, this is craziness. This is awesome. But yeah. So please get yourself on webcam, send that in. That'd be awesome. You know, want to just see the real face of our community. Let's see here. Peter, what's up? Stephen Gunn literally just woke up watching this in bed. Oh, well, good morning. Good morning. All right. Let's get into it. So what I'm going to be doing today is, so I haven't finished building my site. And I didn't just do that. But some of the things I want to change since I last streamed this build is this is still using old school, look at this, old school position and whatnot. So I want to fix this in grid, but that's later. I want to start making a store for this. So my wife made this, and yeah, so my wife made my new brand. She refreshed my brand, and she made me a shirt. And when I was like around 800, 700 subscribers, I promised, I said, and even on Twitter and on the past streams, I promised, I said, if I ever hit 1,000 subscribers, I will give some of you, just some. I can't afford all. Can't afford to give everyone a shirt, but I want to give some of you a shirt that's in my head that I want to give out. And I told my wife, make me a shirt with my tagline, make the web beautiful. And she did, and I was like, that's perfect. Some people said, I don't like the color. Waldo said, if you have that in black, I would totally wear it. My other friend said, if you have that in gray, I'd totally wear it. So I hit up, there's a local shop here called Big Frog. So I sent them an email asking for a quote. And it's like $14.50 a piece. And so I'm thinking I'm probably going to get like 5 of each size, small, medium, large, extra large. And then that would be about, like, if you do the math, that's around $290. And so I'll probably be spending some of that. And I want to give some of these away to you guys, not to everyone. And then at the same time, since Webflow Ecommerce is out and you can actually make a live store, I'm thinking of selling this as well. So that's my whole plan. Cool. So I just really want to see if I can dive into e-commerce and make this a real thing. So let's make this a real thing. I may be going back and forth between just my webcam and the desktop because I've never gone through this process, and I want to give you my real first impression. And if I have to put in any private info, of course, I'll just go straight to Cam and put that in. All right. So let's get it going. All right. Here we go. First things first. Ready? Let's click that e-commerce button. Click. All right. E-commerce requires the following collection name, categories. Okay. Okay. So this is one of the reasons why they created the feature where you can change your collection name, because e-commerce automatically needs categories. So this one I have to change it to blog categories. Is this a blog category? What is this category for? Hold on. What is this for? Oh yeah, okay, so these are my ramble categories. Yeah, I call my blogs rambles because that's just me. I just like to ramble on. I feel like blogs are more professional, and it's like you have an editor and all that stuff. And yeah, okay. So save. Set up redirects to ensure existing external links to pay. No, I'm good. All right. That's done. So let's try it again. Okay, cool. So let's turn your website into a store. And so create two collections. It's going to create products and categories. Let's do this. All right. I'm going to add a business address. So yeah, I'm going to go through this whole thing. So in past streams, I just skipped this because you couldn't make a real live store. But now you can. So I want to fill this all out. All right. Let's see here. I click this. Business address required. Business address to your store. Okay. All right. Okay, so I'm just gonna fill in. What's my business name? I don't have one. Can I leave it blank? I'm leaving it blank. Add address. Okay, so when you leave it blank, it just takes the name of your site and adds that as your store name. Okay, so the name of my site is PXLGK. So it just took that and put that into the store name because it needs one, I guess. So I'm just gonna call it Pixel Geek. I bet that is totally taken. And FYI, don't have a seller's permit, so I'm gonna have to figure that out like later, like before I even start selling this stuff. So don't buy it if well, I mean, I'm not gonna publish this site yet. So yeah, okay, never mind. Oh, okay, for the business info, it actually says store name. So it takes the store name and puts it in there, but the business name, you can leave it blank. Got it. All right, let me press save. And also says customer support email, and it puts your email address, and you can't change it. Wait. Oh, yeah, you can. It's just a pre-fill. So I'm going to put my email address. Okay. Done. All right. I know I'm just saying it, and you don't see my desktop, but yeah. So, okay, that part is done. Let's go here. Where's the instructions? Getting started. Okay, add a business is done. Add a product. Okay, cool. I'll call this, what should I call this? Like tagline shirt or just beautiful web shirt? I'll call it Pixel Geek t-shirt. Yeah. Okay. Tagline, go no. Wear this shirt if you like to make this is bad. The web beautiful. Whatever. Okay, it works. Peter says I want to buy the shirt he's wearing now. You can. I thought we sent. Didn't we send you one or something? I thought we did. Anyways, drag and drop this. All right, so I have the shirt there. Price, we're just gonna right there. No profit. SKU, I don't know. 1. Okay. I'm not a real seller yet, so I'm gonna turn that off. Sales tax is a tax configuration. Okay, I don't want to do that yet. Categories. Let's just add one real quick. Apparel, because one day I would like stickers or something because I want to put that. I want to put my tagline on the back of my laptop. Oh, cool. So you can just automatically. Oh, okay. It's not there yet. I didn't save my product yet. So I'll do it like that. Cool. Uh, cool. Let's go ahead and press create. All right. Oh, let me put in. Wait, we have sizes. Sizes include. I don't think variants work yet. Small, medium, large, extra large. This is a limited item. Very limited. Okay, we're good. We're good. Okay, so we did that. Go back to getting started. Yay! 2 out of 4. Shipping method. Yes. Okay. Shipping method. New method. Oh, okay. I'm guessing it's gonna be flat rate because, yeah. Shipping rate. Name. Um, USPS. Yeah. Yeah. Good old Pony Express. Rate amount. I don't. How much is it? I'll just say 350 for now. Per order per item. Interesting. Okay. Well, yeah. If you order 2, then isn't it gonna cost more because the weight of it? Unless. Interesting. I'll do per item or something because I doubt anyone's gonna. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, product variants are very important. I'm sure it won't be too far down the line. Yep, like that. This first launch, you got to get it out there. It's one of those things, you got to ship it fast or something. Okay, cool. We got that. Save. Okay, cool. Now, I'm gonna go to taxes, but I want to make sure we good. Okay, yeah. Include taxes and product price. No integrations. Oh, this is interesting. Look at this. Integrations. You can integrate with Facebook. Interesting. So I'm guessing there's going to be a ton more in the future. Like, can you imagine? Like, wait, Facebook owns Instagram. So, like, what if you can sell stuff on Instagram? And then, doesn't Twitter have a thing? And then, like, in the e-commerce launch page, or no, teaser page, it said Amazon. So that'd be cool. Like, you would see Amazon here. So yeah. Let me go back to shipping, and then because hey Brian, Brian is saying, USPS priority box will ship for as many as you can stuff in the box. So I'll say per order, right? Okay, so I'll just do it like that. So that's easy. All right. So save. Okay. Okay, let me go back to the e-commerce getting started. Okay, cool. Look at that. So that was not hard at all. All right, and now we just have to design the product page, just do these design parts. So that's the easy part, right? And then yeah, I already have SSL. That makes sense. Add hosting, and that makes sense. Enable checkout. Your users won't be able to place orders until checkout is enabled. So what if I click that? Hold on. I'm gonna click it. Ah. Okay, so there's the thing. Like, when you're ready to go, at the very end, when you're ready to go, you click that magical button and then boom. But in order to have that magical button, you need magical toggle. You need to add hosting and whatnot. All right, let me go to camera real quick. So yeah, I'm bouncing back and forth. So let's see here. Okay. Now it's the fun design part. Okay. So, um, I don't have a store page. So let's just go quickly make a store page. I'm gonna copy this one right here. I'm gonna call it store. Okay. Or should it be Chico like buy things or store? I'll just leave it a store for now. All right, cool. So we have the store. Uh, buy the things. I'm not a copywriter. All right, let me open this real quick. How did I do this? This is a long time ago, so I don't know the things. Oh, big nav menu. Okay, that makes sense. And there has to be. Aha, found it. Okay, so let me just copy and paste this. Store, and this guy goes to here. Okay, cool. And I know I have to put some interactions, but let's just skip that part for now. Wait, where are you? There we go. Cool. That's what I wanted. Cool. Go to store. I'm here. Nice. All right. Steven with a question. Have you looked at printful.com? Might be useful for you if you're printing and shipping tees for real. You might be able to integrate it with Webflow. A lot of people have been asking for print on demand stuff, especially on some of the designer Slack channels that I'm in. When I said, "Oh my God, e-commerce is out," some people have said, "Hey Nelson, does it work with Printful? Does it work with print on demand services?" And I don't know, but what I do know. So let's take a gander real quick. Zapier Printful. Can you point Zapier to Printful? I don't think so. Usually, if you just type in that, their SEO is so on point that it would come up. Let's see here. Printful. No results. Zapier. Because, like, here's the thing. What the team has already done, too, is check this out. Hold on, let me log in. Okay, check this out. So if I go like this and type in Webflow, and let's just do something. Come on, don't be shy. Okay, fine. With Slack. Okay, so cool. This is what happens. What? No, form submission. Or okay, so what the team has done is if you get an order, you can do a Zapier thing where it's like if you get an order, send the data to Zapier and then whatever you want to do. So if they had Printful or something, so it looks like they have Etsy. That doesn't look like Etsy. What does Zapier have as far as actual thing? Let's see here. No. E-commerce. Okay. ShipStation, WooCommerce, Big Privy. Does this? I've never heard of any of these. I mean, any of these going down. Store Envy. I've heard of Store Envy. There we go. Upcoming. Shipwire, Magento, Handshake, RouteMe. So yeah. So Selly, 3D Cart, Yellow Page, Send Owl, Podia. Oh, Podia. That's that sounds familiar. That's a Podia lets anyone sell memberships, online courses, and digital downloads online. Interesting. So yeah, you can do something. Maybe. Yeah. Anyways, moving on. So store, buy all the things. So let's do this. I'm gonna delete all this. And here's one thing. I'm gonna be real. When I in my past streams, I learned that I cannot put the buy button directly on a static page. You can only add a buy button on a product page, not a static page. Products. Well, let me just try it one more time. Yeah, there's a cart, but that's not add to cart. No? Oh, I can add the cart to my nav bar now. Ooh, let's do that. Doop. Cool. Boom. Cool. Let's design it a little bit. Okay, so put it in line, maybe 20. Cool. Let's turn this off. Let's make it the same color. I'm guessing. Oh, okay, I have it right here. Duh. All right, can I make this bigger? Ooh, I can. All right, can I make? Oh, I'm using the same font. Okay. See, and that's the cool thing. Like in Shopify, you would have to code all this right here, but I'm just doing it as if it's just a regular Webflow site, man. Like, beautiful. Oh, I can style that one too? What? Calm your face. Oh, yeah. Can I push this down a bit? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Keep things on brand, right? Let's go ahead and things. Maybe on hover it turns to this, and then everything turns to white. Yeah, okay. And then this one turns to white, and also wait, no, on hover. No, come back. What did I do? Oh, okay. So on hover, so this one needs an interaction. Interesting. Okay, let me go back on hover. Cool. Is that cart image an SVG? I think it is. I think. Oh man, this is icon, and yes, SVG, and so probably I can like make it do a pop-up wheelie, right? Because it's just another element. Watch this. Oh my god. Or I can go like this. 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Oh, wrong way. Oh god. Yes, you can do so much. You can do so much. We've reached max Q. Okay, I'm dumb. And I'm done doing that. I mean, it's your site. Yeah, it is. Do whatever. So on hover, yeah, let's just play around. Like, can you add interactions to this button? Let's see. Start animation. Cart rocket. All right, here we go. Taking adventure. I'm able to click this stuff, so it feels like I can do it. Let's see here. Cart rocket. Let's rotate it like that. And then after it rotates, it moves on the X. Nope. Not the X. The Y. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so that works right there, but let's just see. Does it really work? Preview. Uh-huh. The possibilities are endless. Why would someone do this? But actually, the question should not be why. It should be why not? Man, do whatever you want, guys. Have fun with this. Oh, you can add interactions to this. This is amazing. Ugh. Oh man. Okay. Back to business. Back to business. Okay. Turn that back on. Okay. So our cart is done. Cool. Exactly, Landon. Exactly. I know I'm biased, but I mean, come on. You can make a cart rocket. Or it's kind of like Fortnite, you know? Like people do that all the time. Oh no, that's what their ATK. Okay, whatever. I'm such an old guy. I watch like Ninja and Dr. Lupo and stuff, and that's me playing video games. Like, yeah, because I got no time. Anyways, all right. So how do we want to show this shirt off? Yep, my wife is calling me. Hold on. Oh, I think I have to help her bring the kid up. BRB. Talk to each other. Sorry. No, I'm just being very loud. Oops. Okay, I was having too much fun there. Okay, have to be quiet. A little bit more quiet. But not ASMR quiet, but just quiet. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and bring in the image. Main image. All right. I mean, that's just ridiculously big. And, you know, I only have one thing, but let's just flex this for now. So, flex. Actually, I can use the same styles as Rambles. There we go. So, what did I use? So, here's the thing. Like, I can't reuse this. So, okay, here we go. Flex, flex child. So, I have to remember these styles and then bring them over. Ooh, what's that? Okay, here, store. There you go. All right, so let's do this. Remove. This is flex. This is flex something. Oh, show my screen. Thank you so much. Flex child. Ugh. What just happened? What just happened? Isn't that supposed to... Why? Is it because of this? Nope. Why is this image doing that? Try. Oh, actually, let's do a background. Okay, so link block, and this is gonna go to the product page. And what's the thing? What's the thing? Nikki, welcome to the stream. Oh yeah, Luke, what's up? Nikki, I'm new to Webflow. I'm learning a lot about it. Thanks for posting these live streams. Not a problem. Hopefully this is helping you out. This is the main reason is to just enjoy Webflow together, and hopefully you get some learning out of this. List link. All right, let's do that. I want list link. See, I can't copy that. I can't copy that over here. I have to actually like remember the names. Snap TV from Philippines. What's up? I'm Filipino too. But I've never been to my homeland. Also from Whoa, okay. Good morning, PH. What time is it over there? List link overlay. Ramble. Okay, so list link. There's no height. Height is 200. Okay. Whatever. It's supposed to be height 200. And it's supposed to be like expand. Okay, whatever. Or did I just make a new whatever? Okay, let's get a background image. Main. All right. 2:25 p.m. See, and I was never taught Tagalog, only the bad words. So, yeah. Sorry. And any other words my mom would call me when I was younger and I was being mean or bad. All right, cool. Let's leave it as no. Rounded corners. So that's how you do rounded corners right there. All right, cool. All right. So there's probably gonna be like, if you can imagine in the future, there's gonna be a lot of different products. Like, I don't know. Think of like a cafe press type of store where there's all these different things. So they would all have different colors, right? So in order to fix that, what you would do is what I learned from McGuire is that don't use grayscale. Did not know that. What you should be using as far as filters go is contrast 0. Oh, not contrast 0. It's saturation 0. Right? Or is it? Which one is it? I think it's saturation 0, right? He said it's better than grayscale. I'm like, oh, okay. I trust him. And then on hover, we'll turn that off. And let's make that an animation so we can take this and do the filter. And there we go. So go like this. Click it. All right. Cool. Boget. Let's see here. Remove. No need for that. I received a letter that access to email will open on November 8th. What's today? Yeah, today's November 8th. Yeah, so we're sending them in waves. We're sending the invites in waves. So if you don't have it yet, you will get it soon. Don't worry. All right. Yeah. So here we go. So I clicked on the shirt, and that's what takes me to this blank page, and that blank page is a product page, and that's where you can do the add to cart. I really wish that you can put add to cart from here, make it faster, one less click, but I guess that's something they're working on. So now you have two different categories of purple pages: e-commerce and CMS collection. All right. So if I go to products, I have nothing, but so let's copy over our symbol. Let's use quick find, Command K or Command E, nav. That's my old one. Whoa. Have you ever guys seen this? This was when I was playing with, oh, it doesn't work. This is when I was playing with 3D transforms for the very first time. And I was like, oh my god, that's amazing. Let's see here. Nav. Side nav. That's not it either. Okay, so what am I missing? Oh, it's called left bar. Good job, Nelson. Nope. Products. There we go. Command K. Left bar. Oh, I also need big nav. Cool. So I have those two there. So just showing you how to use the quick find. Okay, so I have those. I'm copying this one. All right, so child page body. So that's the thing. I can't take this whole page and then copy it over. So, well, I guess I can copy this over to here. This one is child page body. Oh, okay, cool. And I can take this, and so it's just like building another blog post type of page or CMS type of page. So the designing part is easy, fun stuff. But let's just keep going. Copy that. Actually, I'm gonna go to the store. This right here. Copy it. And then go back here. Paste it. Let's bind this to the description. And we don't need this as a link. Actually, we don't need this at all. So let's get this and aha. So, people, I don't want people to like scroll down just to get to see the thing. Ooh, let's play with grid here. Yeah? Yeah, let's do it. Okay, so let's put a new section. And this section will be 100. Actually, let's call this child here. Yeah, so I'm gonna make a duplicate of this. So what I'm doing is let's remove class. Okay, so that's what that does. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this and call it product hero because I don't want this linear gradient or this image. I want the, actually, let's just leave that one. Cool. Okay, so I have my grid background. So let's go ahead and make this a grid instead of flex. What happens? Interesting. Okay, cool. All right, here I go again with grid. Let's just use that for now. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the image of the product here. This is where you definitely need you definitely need like a cutout of your product. Let's put this here, put this here. Cool. We'll add some margin around this. Static page, no. Child hero. Get away from the top. Get away from the side. Interesting. Okay. Okay. I think we're getting somewhere. Cool. Let's add one more. So that way I can move this over. Cool. All right. So far, so good. Oh, that top part, ugly. So far, so good. Very basic. All right, let's go ahead and add the cart button right here. We can do it like that. Okay, this right here needs to be white, obviously. All right, and this button, do I have a button class or something? I do. Okay. Oh, Boget, don't worry, you'll get it. Patience, patience. All right, so that's cool. Okay. Yes, they will open access on November 8, meaning they're going to start sending private invites. And the reason why is because they want to make sure that the servers are stable and they get a few hundred people in and then another few hundred people. If you're familiar with stress testing for video games, it's kind of like that. They want to make sure that everything works fine. We don't want to give a bad experience on the first go. Okay. Okay, so this works. Cool. Ugh, everything's all spread out. So maybe I have to put this down here. Okay, that's better. Yeah, this is so basic. Of course, I'm gonna fix it later. All right, so that's done. So add to cart is done. Now the checkout. So the checkout is already pre-built for you, and that's cool that they're doing sticky already. Is this sticky? Like, how is this? Oh wait, this is fixed. Uh-oh, it's doing weird things again. So the position is being pulled from default styles. It has this thing, right? But none of these buttons are clicked. So it has to be fixed. No, it has to be fixed. Yeah. Interesting. Okay, so let's go ahead and left symbols are not allowed in checkout form? What? You're kidding me. Oh, I was trying to put it inside of the checkout form. That scared me. Okay. All right, we're good. We're good. We're good. Nav, big nav symbol. There we go. All right. And this one right here, let's give it a child hero and then product hero. Oh, and then the body has to be child page body. Okay, I'm missing something. It looks like meh. Or maybe I'll just use Ramble's hero. Child hero, product hero, remove. Let's use Rambles. Much better. I don't want that. I want to make this fixed. So let's just duplicate and call it checkout hero. And set this to fixed. Oh yeah, if I set it to fixed, then I can't scroll. But can I do this? Okay, cool. Kind of cheated, but it's okay. It works. Oh yeah, and this, I think you want to see it all the time. That's definitely CSS sticky. So let's put this on the other side right here. Cool. And again, this is super customized. I can do whatever I want with it. Amazing. Oh dang, look at that. It's on brand. All right, that's cool. Can I push this down? Yep. Push it down by 20 so it all lines up. And container 2. Why does this feel like wait. Flex. Interesting. Okay. So don't mess with this or else you mess with the whole thing and then yeah. Well, I mean, you can fix it. But look, it has a height. I want to set that to like auto. Why isn't it? Nelson, give me a link to your website. I'll buy your shirt. Not yet. I need seller's permit. I want to do this all legally and stuff. Okay, so I guess that works, but I want to keep this going. Do I really have to set like... Why is the container 2 like doing that stuff? Is it I'm so confused. Why does it end here? Okay, here's a thought. Can I take you out? I can. And I delete that. Okay. Oh, and then I think it's because this child hero is position fixed. What? I'm breaking everything. I'm scared. Undo. Okay, let's just leave it as is for now. I'll need to figure that out. I think it's my side. It has to be my side. Unless this side... Yeah, I'm confused. Why does this stop right here? You could put it all in grid and do your own thing completely. Oh yeah, I can try that. Grid is evil. No, it's not. It's just a new thing we all gotta learn. New things aren't scary. New things are just new things in life that you need to learn. So it makes life more fun. If we weren't given if there's nothing new in life, that would make life so boring. No challenges, no things to explore. I mean, grid is a whole new way of thinking. I haven't figured out grid to the point where I'm super comfortable with it, but you know what? That's totally fine. Um, yeah, Brian said if you think grid is evil, you never had to deal with floats or IE6 versus Firefox and all this other stuff. Oh man. Uh, yeah, grid is fun. Grid is fun. This is just another thing that I'm trying to figure out. Like, why do you stop? All right, well, let's go to the next part. I need to figure that out. Order confirmation. Yeah, so just as easy. I can just do all the things. Man, okay, so on the body, we did child page, body, to do things. To add the graphy. Okay, cool. And then order confirmation. Container, I'm guessing that's where I do my child hero. Yeah, and then checkout hero. I think I broke everything. Let's try it again. Okay, Boogette. You can learn whatever you want. Just saying, life is fun when there's new things. Life is very fun. But again, everyone can learn at their own pace. Everyone could believe what they want to believe, and it's totally fine because that's the world we live in. Flex boxes, yeah. Here's something, Boogette. On Webflow University, CSS Grid. So check this out. Intro to Grid. Is this the one with the maps? There's like a Google map, right? Is this? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah. This is the one. Watch this one. Watch this one. This explains Flexbox versus Grid. All right. So too long didn't watch. Flexbox is one direction, either horizontal or vertical. Grid is both horizontal and vertical. So it gives another dimension to your layouts. We actually have this one right here. 4 minutes. Oh, and this is the one with the... Yeah, this is the actual one I'm looking for. Okay, there we go. So yeah, watch those. And if you still feel the same way, then go with Flexbox. Because if Flexbox is what you know, and Flexbox is what gives you the opportunity to build cool things for your clients, then Flexbox all the things. All right? But if you want to try something new, CSS Grid is there. And here, cool thing, you can use Grid, and inside of that, you can put Flexbox. Or vice versa, you can do Flexbox, and inside of Flexbox, you can do Grid, and then you can do Flexbox inside of there, and then Grid, and then all the way down, right? Because the web is just boxes within boxes. So do whatever feels comfortable for you. And in the end, it's not about the code that you use, but it's more about the products, the end product that you give your clients. Once you give them what they want, and they pay you for it because that's your artistry, that's your craft, and they feel comfortable with you, then hey, who cares, right? So you do you. All right. So where was I? So we have the child page body, and then we have child hero, and okay. So child hero and checkout hero. So I was doing it right. Ba, ba. Order confirmation. Okay, so there's two of them, and then there's three of them, and then there's this. Whoa. There's a lot going on here. Why? Yeah. Good night, Andrew. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you had fun watching. And I hope you get e-commerce invite soon. Came for the e-commerce, stayed for the CSS battles. Popcorn all around. All right. Let's see here. Child hero. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, let's not do that. Let's just put the symbols in, and yeah. Left bar. And then we have big nav. And we're good. Okay. So I don't want that super duper gray white smoke. I want my stuff. Actually, no. Let's do that. Yep, that'll work. Cool. All right. And I want these on the other side, so I can just go like this, put it on top. Boom. Easy peasy. Oh, and it fits on one page. Sweet. Oh, and I got scared because I thought these were the real addresses. But no. Cool. All right, cool. Cool. Order confirmation. I think we're done. All right, last part. Oh, look at that. Cool. Check marks all the way around. All right, going back to camera real quick. Add payment provider. Connect to Stripe. Okay, so it opens up a pop-up menu. And it says, okay. Let me switch user. So I'm going to have to sign up for a Stripe account. Yeah, let's see here. Signing up. Wait, oh, full name. Okay. Hello, test. There. OBS died? Okay, cool. We're back. That was weird. But we're back. Stream is continuing. Okay, cool. Dark mode. All right, hold on. I'm still signing up for Stripe. So you're going to have to make a Stripe account. So cool. Create Stripe account. So is there fees and stuff? Okay, it says Webflow Ecommerce would like to start accepting payments with Stripe. Okay, cool. So when it comes to your clients, though, I guess you would sit down with your client. Like, say you're building a store for your client. Oh, okay, I get it. So as you're building the design, you should tell your clients to go to stripe.com and say, hey, create an account on stripe.com. And then it'll ask for their email. It'll make them make a password. It'll ask for their address. And so they would need to set this up on their own. But then you would need to log in to their Stripe account using their credentials to connect it to their web page, to their Webflow project. Interesting. Signing up still. All right. Okay. So this is where it tells you, okay, are you a individual? Are you a LLC, nonprofit, partnership, or corporation? And then you put your social security number. Yeah. So you put all the things. Okay, business website. Okay, so I'm just gonna put my own. Okay, I'm not gonna connect to Stripe yet, but okay, I get it now. Okay, so go back to my screen. Okay, so I'm not gonna do that part yet, but it totally makes sense. I can add a payment provider, and the only one right now is Stripe. But later on, I think Kyle did say on the stream that it would be cool to do like Google Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal, and all that stuff. But to begin, it's gonna be Stripe. Message held for review. No. Oh yeah. So for. Whoop. Where's my mouse? Hello, mouse. What the heck? Whoa. Mouse? There you are. Okay. What's this YouTube video? Stream starting soon. Oh, that's the sneak peek at Grid. Yeah, I'll allow it. Wait, where's the chat? Oh, it's catching up. Anyways, yeah, so I'm not gonna do this. We already know how to add hosting and add SSL. Enable checkout. All it is just this, and so that's it. And so the last part is whenever someone, yeah. So whenever someone orders something, they'll get an email, right? Will you reverse the text on white on all checkout pages? Dark mode. Oh yeah, you can. I should. Yeah. No Stripe in Philippines. Yes. Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing. Yeah, so we're gonna continually add more payment providers, but for the first beta, it's just Stripe. All right. So right here, so this is the end. If you want to add if you want to customize the look of the email that customers would get, their receipt, just follow this whole thing right here. And then here's the thing that I learned too. Check this out. When I change the color of the background, watch this. Look at the text right here. Check it out. It's black, right? It changes white on its own. What? That is nutty. That is nutty. Oh, that's so cool. So you don't have to worry about that. All right, I'm going to use white smoke for now. Yeah, I'm going to use white smoke for now. Cool. Accent color. Where's the accent color come in? Is it the button? They should call it button color. Oh, the text color changes too. Oh, that's cool. Wait. That's not. Okay. Whoa, I can use this one. But hey, the text color though. Text color. I want it white. So I have to go darker? That's not. Okay. But, I guess. Interesting. There. Yeah, control for the text color would be nice. But I guess they're trying to make it as easy as possible. Oh, and then you can turn this on and off. All right, and here's a cool thing. So you can add text strings in multiple places. Build to. So let's see here. Oh yeah, email subject, order for store name, right? Or you can be like, hi there. So this is the email subject line. Thanks for your patronage. And then like add field. Oh, customer name. Oh, so you can be like, hi, customer name. That's cool. Thanks for your patronage, and then store name. thanks for your purchase, and then thanks for your purchase. Heart. Wait, can you do emojis? Can you do emojis? Heart. You can. Oh, cool. And then greeting message. The changes are applied in the preview to the right. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. You have a new order from. Wait, order received. Oh wait, this is when you receive an email received by the store manager when a new purchase has been made. Okay, so this is not to the customer. This is to the store owner. So I could just be like this. Bought a thing. Do something. Bought a thing. Okay, cool. So that's order confirmed. Okay, received by the customer when they make an order. Okay, so this is shared. Okay, so received by the store manager when. Okay, order confirmed. Oh, so these are the different emails. Got it. So received by the customer, and this is where you want to say, "Hi, customer name. Thanks for buying a thing," and then heart. Store name. Boom. Cool. All right. Sorry, Steven, for blowing your mind again. All right. Greeting message. Hi, customer name. Your order is confirmed. Hi, customer name. And I bet you can add. Can you put other fields in this? Hold on. Can you put other fields in this? Can you? I, I don't think you can. Because I'm thinking in my head, like, where would you put it? Yeah. I don't think you can. Okay, back to email. Order confirmed. Here is your receipt. I don't know. Enjoy. And then paper. Yeah. Cool. You can put emojis. Nice. Okay. Fine print if you have any. Oh, that's nice. If you have any questions about your order. Yeah. If you have any questions about your order, tough luck. No. So that's already set up for you. Okay. Let me send myself a test email. Clicky the button. Send preview. Order confirm preview. So let me check my inbox real quick. What does it look like? The subject line. Hold on. Let me open it real quick. Show original. Oh, it's no. That's not what I want to do. Okay, cool. Let me show my screen. So you get this email, and it's like, it says, "Hi, Tony Stark," as a preview. That's so cool. Here is your receipt. That's so cool. Nice. Awesome. And I think that's about it. And you just keep customizing away, and well, dang. So yeah, any questions about this? Any questions about this experience? The first user experience, it bam bam bam. Only thing question about is if you're building a client site, you have to get their Stripe information from them. But I'm guessing if you have a contract, you make sure that you have to be chill with your client. You make sure honor system and all that stuff. Take care of them. Don't you have, with great power comes great responsibility. So I mean, you want to make sure you stay responsible and whatnot. But other than that, yeah. Let's see here. My first, let's see here. Uh, oh, there's a good chicken there. Good chick. Oh, I'll definitely take a look. I'll try to be friends with the grid. Yeah, it takes some time. I'm still just, but yet I'm trying to get used to grid as well. You know. Uh, so if at first you don't succeed, try and try again. Learning new things is never easy. It's never easy. And there's a reason why it's never easy is because that's the learning process. And there are times, even I've been designing websites and building websites since 1995, and it's still tough. There are times when I'm like, is Webflow broken or am I doing something wrong? And you find workarounds, you find ways to get around the hurdle, you find ways to get through the hurdle. You just keep trying new things, and when you try something new, then you get a new wrinkle. You get a new wrinkle in your brain, and that's something to hang on to. And if you can't find the solution, that's when you ask for help on the forums. The people in the chat room will be glad to help. The people on our forums, or just you can hire help. Like, find ways to learn is all I'm saying. And there are times when I'm working on a client site and I have to scrap a page because I'm like, no, I'm doing this all wrong. And I spent like 2 hours on something, and I'm like, no. But when you have to restart from scratch, you didn't really lose that time. Like, for me, I didn't lose those 2 hours. I gained a learning experience. So when I start from scratch, it's not really from scratch. I learn what not to do, and then by the time I'm rebuilding from there, I failed and I learned from that failure, and I'm pushing even further. So even if it feels like a fail, it's actually a learning experience, and you gained a lot more than you failed. Okay? So learn is all I'm saying. And that's what I try to project during my streams is I show that I mess up. I show that I'm confused. I show that I'm real. And I want to make sure that we all go through it together. And there are times, even in the people in the chat room, they're like, Nelson, why don't you do it like this? And I'm like, oh, that's amazing. So we learn off of each other, because there's so many different ways to build for the web. And like I said before, if your way is the way that makes your client happy, then so be it. Because that's what we're in the business for. Making clients happy, making people on the web happy, because we want to make something beautiful. And not only beautiful, you want to make something easy to use. And so web design is such an interesting industry, a very interesting art form to me. So yeah, have fun learning and ask for help. Okay. I'm off of that soapbox. But let's see here. Any other questions? Skype with them, share screen, have them enter it or take control, or use the NDA. Oh yeah, all good tips, Brian. When it comes to their Stripe info. Let's see here. Donald says, I have access to my client's Stripe accounts. We can do nothing with a bank account number. We can only deposit money. Oh, okay. Maybe it's different outside of Canada, though. Yeah. Canadians are notoriously nice, so no one worries about Canadians having access to money. Preach. Great design for a better world. Yes. Learn. Every day learn. All right. Let's get the music going. Epidemic. Let's see here. Let's get Venus. There we go. Cool. No, we're not. What else are you gonna sell, Nelson? What I would love to sell is, or at least make the web beautiful stickers, and maybe a mug or something. All those basic things, I don't plan on anything big. I just want to try out this e-commerce stuff. And so I was asking my wife, please, can you make me a tagline thing by the time e-commerce comes out? And she's like, okay, sure. So she was nice enough to do this for me. And now that I have a thing, I'm like, okay, let's see, will it work? And then she was like, you have a seller's permit, right? I'm like, what? You have to have that thing? So, all right, another thing to worry about. But hey, it's fun learning. It was fun building this and going through the whole process. And now I know how to answer some of the questions if you email support team. Donald, you should check Printful. Yeah, everyone's saying go to Printful. But there's this store called Big Frog, and it may be the same price, you know, because I think Printful is like $12.50 a piece, whereas Big Frog is $14.50, and I would have to pay shipping for Printful anyways, right? I don't know. I gotta research this more, but also gotta research seller's permit and whatnot. But I'll send you guys some. I'll send you a shirt and everything. Well, some of you, I have to figure out how to do this. I know some of the regulars who come here. I already memorized your usernames, so I'll hit you guys up. But other than that, I hope you get your e-commerce invites. I hope you get them soon, because I want you to make your own store or make your client a badass store, because we can all change the game when it comes to web design and e-commerce, right? If you haven't been part of the stream, or is it your first time being on stream, thanks again for watching. If you're watching recording, I stream every other day. I try to, around 9:30 p.m. Pacific. Follow me on Twitter at the Pixel Geek. I usually tell people when I'm gonna go live. And yeah, subscribe to this channel. Thank you all so much. And actually, let me say one last thing about learning. One last thing. Hold up. Pause the music. More realness. Ready? More realness. In the beginning of this year, you know, I wanted to help my family more. You know, I wanted to help my family more and find some way for passive income so that we can, you know, be more financially stable. And it wasn't until May I restarted this YouTube channel. And when I started it, I had around 600 subscribers and around like 100 or so, 100 or 200 watch hours. And I said, okay, I don't want to ask people for money, and I want to work for my money, you know? And so I said, okay, let's do this. Let's do this YouTube thing and see where it goes. And 6 months later, thanks to you all for watching, I'm able to hit that 4,000 watch hour threshold and 1,000 subscriber milestone and 1,000 subscriber milestone. So thank you all so much for your support. Hopefully this goes somewhere. I want to make this as real and as transparent of a channel as possible. I hate those thumbnails that have arrows on them saying, hey, look at this. I hate it when people do this and say, see ya. Like, it seems so fake to me, like when people just do like good deeds or something just for the views. And it's like, no. I want to be as real as possible and make this channel grow in the most organic way possible. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for taking time out of your day. Your time is precious, but you are giving your time to watch these streams. And so I thank you so much. I want to give you as much as I can. I want to give you my knowledge. I want to give you what's happening with the Webflow world. I want to give you some of these shirts, but you know, I can only do so much. And you guys, just your support is just makes me so happy. So thank you. And I will actually do an edited video about the whole process so I can give more knowledge about how I gained this many subscribers and this many watch hours. So maybe you can do it too. Because all it is sharing knowledge and teaching from passion. From whatever you're passionate about, you teach it. All right? So thank you guys so much. Put the music back on, and I will see you next time. All right? You all have a great day. And as always, subscribe. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to get the notification bell. And as always, make the web beautiful. See ya.